got your ID on you, ma'am?
Of course. Because I didn't realize it was nothing wrong. That came to the store multiple times.
And I've heard that too, but that doesn't change it.
I understand. I'm not, honestly, I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm not trying to argue with you. I thought I scanned them. I have 3 kids. My daughter is constantly talking to me. You can see that throughout the video. If you open the video up louder, if you open it up wider, you can see her saying, "Mommy, mommy, mommy."
She thought self-checkout would save her money, but Walmart security was watching the entire time. What looked like a simple checkout mistake quickly turned into a police investigation for retail theft. On June 8, 2025, officers were called to a Walmart after employees reported a suspected shoplifting incident at self-checkout. At first, it seemed like an ordinary scanning error. But after reviewing surveillance footage, loss prevention believed several clothing items were intentionally never scanned. While groceries were paid for, employees claimed the suspect repeatedly placed clothes directly into bags without scanning them. Before she could leave the store, officers stopped her and brought her into the loss prevention office.
We're both on.
So what's up?
All clothes so far.
Items.
So she's purposely not doing any of the clothes. I'm going to show you too.
Okay. Yeah, all this stuff. You can keep one line.
Yeah. Thank you. I didn't know that.
Man. So they are scanning all the food though?
Yeah. So this is the shirt and shorts that she does. This is just that's what it all looks like, by the way. And then she'll do it again with the clothes here. There's going to be some grocery items on there, but that's because she's...
But it's just her.
Yeah.
She got it? Like, did that not misscan?
It didn't. Some of it has been.
Some,
Okay.
Yeah.
but then others, like, it was paused, and she's just
blowing,
across, like, just...
And then when she was going to go scan another grocery item, that's when she asked for help.
But it's just her doing everything?
Yeah. Dude, I want to say this lady used to work here, but I'm not totally sure. I think she's going to try and leave. Yeah.
They're leaving with the whole
I think
cart
they're going
without
to.
paying anything?
Look, she's yelling at them.
For what?
Who's yelling at them? This lady looks like she's yelling at them.
You didn't mean to her?
I don't know, I can't tell.
Did she have to pay for anything?
She has, yeah, it was declined. It's like at 400 something on top of the clothes that are under right.
The thing she did is just getting through.
She dropped. Oh my god. She already yelling?
I think she's yelling at the register.
Since
They're right there in the store.
Oh,
open.
she got a receipt. You guys stopping her? Alright, here they come. Get up, get ready.
Why can't you guys...
No, Kaden, you should do it. You should get yelled at.
Going, GM.
Oh, shit.
Me?
Father.
Hey, dog.
Watch them turn back around. Watch them turn back around. You stopped them yet?
Man, she's still in the bathroom?
Oh, yeah.
Man, I bet they come out this way. We can go back to the office.
Yeah.
You want to?
Don't matter to me. You're D2. You call the shots.
Alright,
Yeah,
we'll go back to the
the only
office.
reason why I'm here... You stopping?
Yep, he is.
I'm sorry. Say that again.
Hello, can you step in there?
Okay.
You go in there and take a seat on the bench. You got your ID on you, ma'am?
Of course. Because I didn't realize it was nothing wrong. That was unpaid for, honestly.
All right, ma'am. Are you still living on Oxford?
No, I live in Marshland.
Okay. I'll grab that new address from you.
Alright, I gotta read you something, alright? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court or in other proceedings. You have the right to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him present during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you, free of any cost to you, before any questioning if you wish.
Okay.
Do you understand your rights?
Of course.
With those rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's going on today?
I didn't understand that I didn't pay for anything that I bought. I got 3 kids in me, so if something wasn't unscanned, it was not to my knowledge.
Okay, so I've been in here for a while and I've been watching, so I saw what you did with the clothes and the crab legs and stuff like that, okay?
Okay.
So I saw everything, right?
Okay, that's cool.
Okay,
I have money
Okay, so
to
why
pay
didn't,
for
why
it.
didn't you scan those items then?
I scanned the clothes.
No, you didn't.
I did.
I watched you, no, you did not.
Okay.
I just went right over.
It's not even an argument.
Okay.
It's not an argument.
Is money tight or? Is money tight, or what's
Yeah,
the
money
reason
is tight for everybody. Money is tight for everybody, but
Yeah, no clothes were scanned. What's the reason for that?
because I felt like I scanned it. My kids were right there. Monte, did you not see me scan the clothes? He was right next to me scanning.
Okay, well, you see the cameras.
We're gonna go back and look what you did with this T-shirt.
Okay.
Okay, so you see how you don't attempt that at all? That's what kept happening in the birthday was.
I don't understand what.
You didn't attempt to scan the T-shirt.
Where's the T-shirt at?
Right here. I'll show you again. So you see, you take the bag and then you take that, swoop it right over. You don't attempt to scan that at all.
What? That was the T-shirt, the black thing?
Yep.
Okay.
So all this stuff right here, all this clothes, same way.
Okay.
So why is all the clothes just so happen to not be scanned?
I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm
You're not gonna lie to me?
No, I'm not lying. You got it. You got it, police officer. You got it. I'm not gonna argue with you about it.
We're not here to try and bullshit you in any way. It's mainly the fact that we've been watching you while you were standing.
I'm not lying to you. I honestly felt like I sinned. My son was right next to me.
I understand that you feel like you stand there,
But it's all the clothes items.
Okay. And I can still pay for them, honestly.
so how Walmart does it, if it's not scanned and you walk past the final point of sale, which you did, they're not allowing you to purchase that.
Okay.
That's just their policy, that's how they do it.
Okay, that's true. But
And we're here constantly,
Every day.
so I have been told that to lie in the book,
I've came to the store multiple times.
and I've heard that too, but that doesn't change it.
I understand. I'm not, honestly, I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm not trying to argue with you. I thought I scanned them. I have 3 kids. My daughter is constantly talking to me. You can see that throughout the video. If you open the video up louder, if you open it up wider, you can see her saying, "Mommy, mommy, mommy."
So she was just saying, "Mommy, mommy, mommy," every time there was clothes.
Okay.
Thank you, Anthony.
I feel like you're trying to justify that shit.
I mean, look what it looks like. It's all the clothes.
I understand that.
That can't.
But I feel like you're trying to justify some bullshit. Like I just told you, I can pay for the clothes.
Well, you should have done that when you had the opportunity.
Okay.
So,
Do you have your receipt?
I'm not saying what is the receipt.
so, man, we're all human. We
Yes.
understand that. We all make mistakes. It happens.
And that's what I'm trying to say.
So,
Like
I'm not
I'm not trying.
not done. 1 or 2 items, completely understand. I don't think they've gone through all of the items yet, but when I look at a pile like that, I don't consider that an accidental thing. Nobody accidentally forgets to scan 10 plus items. That's just not realistic or logical in any way, shape, or form. So, what we're trying to say is, if you came through with the intention, I understand you have multiple children. I get it, it's not easy raising one kid. I couldn't imagine raising more than one. It's a lot, I understand that. You're going out?
Yeah, I'll be back.
So, I understand that. Yes. It should be on Sunday.
I'm under arrest, sir.
So what I'm giving you is a notice to appear. So technically you're under arrest just without going to jail. So you'll have a court date. Okay. This back for you. Okay. So 9 a.m. Tazewell County Courthouse in Pekin, July 15th. Okay. You'll have to show up for that. If not, they'll issue you a warrant. Okay. All right. And so I gotta search your bag since you are technically under arrest. I gotta search it. I'll just search it. Hand it to me.
I'll give you my bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, they're done with you, so you guys are free to go. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Can I have my receipt back? Or you need that for confiscation or whatever? Thank you. Let's go. Hold on.
In the end, the unpaid merchandise totaled more than $160. The woman was issued a notice to appear in court for misdemeanor retail theft and was released at the scene. Now people online are divided. Was this really just a distracted mother at self-checkout or an intentional skip scan attempt caught on camera? Comment your thoughts and subscribe for more body cam footage.